So if you are serious about leveling up as a front-end developer in 2025, here are the areas I'd say you must start looking at. First, authentication and security. That means cookies, sessions, JWTs, and who what. It's not just about login forms. And when I mean authentication, I don't mean just login forms. I mean understanding how to keep the app secure. You need to understand how authentication flows work, how to store tokens safely, and how to handle user sessions. Second, performance and caching. Learn how to make apps faster with techniques like client-side caching, revalidation in Next.js, or using tools like React Query or SWHow. Users expect apps to load instantly, and you need to know how to deliver that. State management beyond React hooks. I know many developers are more familiar with React hooks, but when it comes to state management beyond React hook, they fall short. Now, think Redux toolkit for complex apps, or even understand the difference between server states and client states. You need to know when you need to use states versus when you need to reach for a global state solution. The fourth on my list here is APIs and integration. There is no front-end developer without knowing how to consume APIs. One of the commonly used ones are REST API and GraphQL, and learning one of them is a must. I advise you to stick more with REST APIs. You need to understand how to consume data, handle errors, and manage loading states. Testing. End-to-end test with Cypress or Playwright. It shows that you can ship reliable code. If you're a front-end developer and you took your time to learn how to code, I believe you can learn Cypress, the basics of Cypress, in 2 weeks. That's all you need to learn as a front-end developer. Just learn the basics of Cypress. If all you are about is you want to quickly get a job. Now, there are other things you need to learn that are optional.